What call you wearing?
Meet me. Okay.
Oh.
See you then. So, thank you very much for the assignment you helped me do.
Oh, it's doing me this honor. Let me buy you a drink for the most beautiful woman.
Thank you. I really have to run now. I have to go for a musical concert.
Ooh.
I think I'm almost finished.
Cool musical concert. Man, you know I love music. And tell me more about this book.
Maybe some other time. I really have to run now.
Wow.
See you soon.
All right, take care.
Whoa, man.
Daddy man, that black Cadillac.
Big J, man. Big J. Come on, man. You got a baby to take. Man. Man.
And I'm serious right now.
And I think I have a plan.
Man, so few me in,
So tell me,
man.
man.
Few me in.
What plan you got?
What's your plan? Chioma, how many times have I told us not to cause distraction during the others?
But I was thinking. I'm sorry.
Walters, this is the third time she has exhibited these satanic tendencies. I suggest we discipline her. Send her to the choir or at least give her some suspension.
It's okay, we'll talk about it later. Let's go with our hands.
You know, I think you have to do something about your late coming. You're dragging us back. You could be sent away next time.
Whenever Chioma does something wrong, she's buried alive. But if it's others in this choir, special treatment. Like I care anyway.
You don't tell me how to do my job.
It's fine.
Hello. I hope we all know we are in the presence of God and not in house of assembly.
Ikuba, I appreciate the fact that you're trying to instill discipline in the choir, but I would suggest a more decent approach. Okay, let's go with that. Where's James?
You should be sleeping somewhere.
No.
Okay, let's try and sing the song one more time before we go. Can you please stand? This is the key, all right? 1, 2. Stay alive. We all can really make it by His grace. Stay alive. We all can really make it by His grace. Don't hesitate, keep your walk on. You may be going through some hard times. Wait a minute.
You're all good. Down, girl.
Woo! Look at you! Where have you been? Girl, you are welcome. Thank you. Look at you. You're welcome. Thanks. So, how is you, Master? I'm doing great. And you? As usual. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, where are you going? Somewhere special.
Then he yanks your mind away, captures your nakedness, clothes you with righteousness, takes you off your consciousness and gives you spiritual confidence. change your mind. No need to jostle, no need to hustle. Take it easy, won't get busy. All you do is give up, don't you get fed up. Give your new creation mind. It's with your imagination, wakes you up from your illusion. Wakes the sleep and dawning of a new creation mind. Breaks the walls of your deception, brings you to reflection. Lifts your spirit high up to the sky. This group's designed to change your dance, teach you a new creation dance. This groove is powerful, don't you dance. We'll take you high and knock you down. Don't move your feet or you will change. Don't shake your head or you will change. Don't dance around or you will change. Don't clap your hands or you will change.
Please, you may be seated. Thank you. For some of us, we've been around and we've experimented with a lot of things, but we've discovered that nothing can satisfy like the love of God. We've tried women, we've tried cars, we've tried parties, we've tried drugs. And honestly, we discovered that this space, this void on the inside, only God can fill. Let me show you a scripture in the book of John.
There's a hunger in your race, desert in your smile still lays. There's a thirsty grip in you, never thought that you could be satisfied. Never you believed it would be alright. Hands unseen are holding you. Yes, it's true, so close to you. Give your all and you will see. Never you believed what you could be. There's a miracle.
The problem is he's not born again. You know, you remind me of something my grandmother used to tell us back in the village. She said, before you save a drowning man, you must be ready to go deep into the water with him.
So how does that concern me?
Nina, your chances of having a relationship with him is very remote, considering the fact that he is a non-believer. I hope you're not nursing the idea of making him born again. Other girls can be doing that, but certainly not my friend.
Lisha, I don't like that. You're making me feel like the devil's cousin already.
Don't forget the Bible. Do not be unequally yoked with unbelievers.
I know that.
Nina, you are a believer.